Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thanksgiving. How are you doing today? Excellent. So, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and altcoins and all wonderful other things we can talk about. As you can see here on this picture, we have a cat and it's looking at the price of Bitcoin. It's like, why is it going down? But if you look very closely, this little tiny blip where it's going down from about 99 to 92. And if you look back in time, we've gone nothing but from 15,000 pretty much all the way up to 99.8. And then we have this little blip. And so it's just saying, when in doubt, zoom out. Not gone down very far. Here's this next chart, and this is from Rect Capital. And it's showing what happens usually in these cycles. And this is a 1 month chart. So once it breaks out on the 1 month chart, it trends up to the red line. And then it usually hits that as resistance, comes back. Let's see, it retested with the green line, went back up to the red line, rejected again. Back down, consolidated into 2023. Then we have a breakout of this falling wedge, 10 bars or 10 months. Guess what? Broke out from the green line. Where are we going next? Possibly the red line. For a retest. Very interesting. Here's the next chart, Titan of Crypto, the ascending channel. So we hit the top back in 2018, came down to the bottom, trended back up, hit the midline, came back down, hit the bottom, with the crash, and then we rallied up to 65,000, came down 50%, and then went back up in the same market to retest the top. Got rejected at 69, went down to 15, found support at the bottom of the channel there, started working our way back up, and here we are again, breaking through the mid part of the channel. So, if history repeats itself, could test up to the top of the channel, which this says is 260,000. And that would be something. Don't see that happening, but we'll see. There he is, the man himself, Michael Saylor, bought over 100,000 Bitcoin for MicroStrategy, one of the most popular stocks in the S&P. Just buying like crazy. I believe they have over 300,000 Bitcoin now. 300,000. Insane. And he claims he's never selling. We'll see. Here it is. Bitcoin is going to zero. You've seen it. You've heard it here. Oh, wait. What's in this fine print? Oh, Bitcoin's going to add another zero. Yes, it's going to add another zero. It is not going to zero. It's going to be 100,000 very soon. Here we go. Next chart. Pi cycle top. Now, I've been preaching about this one for a while. The pi cycle top indicator shows, okay, when the averages cross, comes down, we get a cross in the bear market, go back up, get a rejection off of the blue line, comes back down, we get a retest with some manipulation. The whales trying to get as cheap as they can. Then they run the price up. Pi cycle cross happens. That week happens to be the top of the market. And this is the 350 moving average and the 111 moving average. Once again, same thing here in 2023. We had the cross up of the 111, got above it, started using it as support. Rejection off of the blue line, got the manipulation down to 49,500, I believe it was, which it was a 618 of the last bull market. So very interesting there. Now, could we trend back up to that blue line and then up to the top? Blue line sitting somewhere around 144, 145,000. Very interesting. We will see. Here we go. This shows it's a 4-year cycle. We've been through 3 of the 4. down, sideways, sideways in 2024. What happens usually in the fourth year? Pretty much major run up. 2025 looking good for stocks and crypto. And here we go. We got how the alt season works. First, people go into Bitcoin. They invest a lot of money in Bitcoin. Then they put some money into Ethereum. Then after that, they buy into some large cap coins like ADA, XRP, things like that. And the next, after that, they get into more riskier coins, all the way down to the riskiest plays. And that's how it works. The money just filters down, then it rolls back into Bitcoin. The cycle starts all over again. Here we are in alt season, almost the halfway mark of this channel. And alt season is above 75. Bitcoin season is below 25. And right now we are at the midline. So we are like halfway between alt season and halfway between Bitcoin season. We're in no man's land. It's everything season. Okay, here we go. Another chart. Bull run. Hits the top. Rejected. Got this downward sloping line. Breaks out. Runs up. Boom. Downward sloping line, breaks out, runs up, downward sloping line, breaks out. What happens next? That's right, you guessed it, run up. All right, so now we got the Bitcoin versus US dollar. We got 413 days from the top of the previous market to the top of the next market. In the next cycle, 2017, from the top of that, 364 days to the bottom, and then 1,064 to the next top. The normal thing here is 1,064. So the question is, 1,064 days out, just before 2026, where will we be? According to this, very high. I don't think we're going that high, but we shall see. Time will tell. I'm still predicting the very top, 175,000, but that's if it's late next year. If it comes early, then the top's going to be somewhere around 120 to 150.